Hi, this screencast is to show the mechanism for the reaction of an alkene with bromine. The first thing that happens is the pi bond attacks the bromine molecule to make a bromonium ion. And when the bromine comes from the front, the methyl has to be shifted to the back. The next step involves attack of the bromide on the bromonium ion, and when the bromide attacks, it's going to come from the back side of where the bromine is in the bromonium ion, so that we wind up with an anti-addition, and that means the two bromine atoms are trans to each other from the anti-addition. So I get this product from the mechanism, and if the bromonium ion was formed with the bromine on the front, then I would also get the other enantiomer. In both cases, the two bromine atoms are anti to each other.